This is Josh of Basic Value, and for today we are going to be talking about the variables block category in Scratch. So we just have a few. So basically, there's this one, and then there's this group right here. So first, what is this make a variable? So you can make a custom variable. Let's say score variable. All right. So you already have your score. So this one is just like the blocks in here. I think it's yeah, it's in motion. It's just the same. It's almost the same functions. Like so when you click this one, then score, then set variable, set score to 1, and then change variable. These are used to modify certain functions. All right, like um, what I usually encounter is these are used to customize functions. Yeah, that's the better term. It's used to customize functions that you cannot find in here. Like if you need to redirect or you need to actually emphasize something, and you need more customization power, you need to fine tune it. These are the blocks that you should use. And as you can see, it has already um it has already showed up here. So this is how it looks like in your Scratch project. So those are all the variable blocks that you need to know in Scratch. Again, they are used to customize functions. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. This is your homeboy Josh of Basic Value, and I'm gonna be seeing you guys on the next video.